In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website with Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a complete novice or have a bit of experience, we'll walk through this process together step by step, ensuring you have your website live in no time. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll navigate to the Hostinger website. Hostinger is a fantastic platform for bringing your ideas online effortlessly with a website. Once you have opened Hostinger's homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Give that a click. If you're not yet logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, now is the time to turn our attention toward the website section found in the dashboard. This area houses all the options for creating and managing your websites. Take a moment to find and click on Website. Here, you'll see an overview of your websites, if you've set any up before, or a prompt to start building your first one. Next up, we're going to select the Edit Website button. This powerful option takes you to the Hostinger website builder, where you can fine-tune the design and content of your site. In this space, you can really let your creativity run wild to shape your website exactly as you've envisioned it, in terms of design, colors, text, and more. After making sure everything looks perfect, find your way to the blog section. This part of the website builder is where you can manage all blog-related settings. Remember that blogging is a great way to share valuable content with your audience, so take some time to explore the options here if you wish. Finally, it's time to make your site live to the world. To do this, you need to click on the Go Live button. It's the culmination of all your hard work, and with just one click, your website comes alive on the internet. Hostinger will handle all the back-end setup for you, ensuring a smooth launch without any technical headaches. And there you have it, your very own Hostinger website now live for the world to see. As you move forward, remember you can always come back to the Hostinger platform to make updates, add new content, or adjust any settings. The web builder offers a straightforward and user-friendly way to maintain and grow your online presence as your needs evolve. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to publish your website using Hostinger. With these steps, you're not just publishing a website, you're opening up a window to share your ideas, your passions, and your business with the world. Keep creating, and see you next time with more tips and tricks to enhance your digital journey.